Okay, to adjust the tracks, you're going to want to first check to see how much slop you have in it here. And if you have more than about an inch of total slop, you're going to want to adjust the tracks. So to adjust the tracks, we're going to have to take off these 6 screws, and they're Torx screws. So we're basically going to take these off. Six Torx screws to get access to the mechanism inside to do the adjusting. Have the side cover removed. You have to loosen these 3 screws. You got 1, 2, and 3. Loosen about half or quarter of a turn. And once those are loosened up, then you put a screwdriver in here to pry or you can use a pry bar to tighten up. And then as you're tightening with the screwdriver, feel the track. And once you get it to the right tension, then go ahead and snug up at least one of the screws. And make sure you're still tight, which we are. And then go ahead and tighten up the other 2 screws. You want to make sure these are real snug, real tight. I'm going to retighten the first one that I snugged up. And then put your cover back on and you're done with the adjustment.